Whiteboard sessions are a powerful way to bring business strategies and models to life, transforming abstract concepts into clear, actionable plans. By visually mapping out ideas, teams can see the bigger picture, identify gaps, and align on priorities more effectively than through text-heavy presentations alone. Start by outlining the core elements of your strategy or model. For example, sketch out key components like value proposition, customer segments, channels, revenue streams, and cost structures, using frameworks such as the business model canvas. Use color coding, arrows, and diagrams to illustrate relationships and flows between these elements. This visual approach makes it easier to spot dependencies, bottlenecks, or areas that need further development. Encourage participation by inviting team members to add their insights directly on the board. This collaborative process not only surfaces diverse perspectives, but also drives buy-in and shared ownership of the strategy. As ideas evolve, the whiteboard can be quickly updated, allowing for real-time iteration and refinement. Throughout the session, capture critical questions, assumptions, and action points in clearly marked sections. This ensures that follow-ups are straightforward and that the team remains focused on the most important issues. In summary, visualizing business strategies and models with whiteboard sessions turns complex planning into an engaging, interactive experience. The result is a more cohesive, aligned team, and a strategy that's both understood and actionable.